This recording is for NI analytics training, only used for the educational purpose, and this is a live task which we are giving as a part of preparation for the interview as well. So it is related to the unemployment statistics, or what I can call it as unemployment data as well, and using time intelligence functions create year over year unemployment ratio, ratio year over year, comma, month over month, and quarter over quarter unemployment ratio, okay, and create a visual for age, age. So this is the first thing what you need to do here. Copy. Next one, you can do it and compare which gender has more unemployment, okay, and using date add function, date add function, create the year over year, month over month, quarter over quarter unemployment ratio as well using date add function, and use dates between function between, say, first Jan 2006 to first Jan 2009, okay, and use dates in period to compare the previous year data, previous year unemployment. We will not talk about data, we'll talk about unemployment. Okay, so these are the things that you need to do, and this is a part of the test as I'm saying on the recording. So you need to create a report. I have sent you the requirements over the chat as well. Got it? We did.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll be stopping.
But yeah, thing is, like I said yesterday, right? I still haven't practiced year on year this thing, month on month this thing. I thought I'll do it today.
Okay, no problem.
Hello.
Yeah, no problem. It's fine.
I thought we're having a class or something today, and I'll sit and practice this today, and then in the evening we're going to do this.
Okay, Vijay, no problem at all. Okay, so I hope that you will practice and see to it that
Mm-hmm. I'll
these
copy. Yeah.
sessions are taken seriously from here onwards. Okay, fine, no problem. So give me a time. Give me 5 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Got it. Fine. So I hope that you will prepare well. And let me
Mm-hmm.
say that this is not a part of the like usual task that I give. So I'll change the recording time. Okay, I thought you would have
Mhm.
prepared. Okay, so it's fine, no problem at all.
Yeah.
So maybe time was less, I believe. So it's fine, no problem. Okay, so it's fine. Okay, I'll share you the real-time data statistics, which we'll do it in Power
Mhm.
BI dashboard. Okay, so we'll begin that. And as of now, I thought of having the task. We could have added. Okay, fine. Mhm. Fine. Okay, so this is the credentials which is related to the real-time data dashboarding in Power BI. Okay, so please copy it and keep it. It would be really useful for you. Got it? So please do
Mhm.
that. Okay. So let me ask you a few questions related to Power BI service. Okay. So
Mhm.
how do you define a dashboard?
Uh, so a dashboard is for presentation, right? A single slide presentation
Yeah,
wherein you
it's
keep all
single.
the tiles and all.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's a single page story where you have got the tiles from the report. Okay, got it.
Mhm.
So we have got
Yeah.
this real time as well, and will be showing you from the report. Okay, so this is the report what I'm
Mhm.
doing right now in front of you, and we can have a single page story that we can get it. Now, my point here is to have a like a dashboard. So I'll go to the workspace and I have got different different dashboards here. Okay, these are the things that we have done in the previous batches as well. So one thing what I can share it with you is the hotels dashboard. Okay, so this is the hotel booking dashboard that we have got, and in this dashboard you can see we have got total profit, total discount, everything is there. It's going to be displayed slowly, yeah, based on the internet and all. This is the complete dashboard that we have. Now we can also get a real-time data. Okay, so we can also get a real-time data on Power BI dashboard. Okay, so for example, say we need to get added tile, and we can have the custom streaming data services, which is there. Okay, so this custom streaming data, what we have here is we can go for adding a streaming data set, right? So we can have a streaming data set, and these are the three different sources of data that we can have. One is the API connection, that is application programming interface connection that we are going to have. And the next one is the Azure streaming services. And the third one is the PubNub service. Okay. As I told you that we have got,
Mhm.
say, connections, right? So connections, you might be working in a like chemical industry or any other like industry where you'll be continuously getting the data. Okay, continuously getting the data. Okay, so in this continuously getting data here, so we will be able to see certain live feed of data. Okay, live feed of data. So in this live feed of data, what we want to see the temperature, we want to see the humidity, we want to see other related like parameters which I told you. Okay, so other parameters, right? So how do I get these other parameters? I need to have a connection. Okay, so you have a Power BI dashboard and you have connections which will be coming it directly from the chemical boiler. Okay, so you will be having sensors, various sensors will be there, and a programming computer where the sensors will be monitored, and you should connect to that system using a key. Okay, so we call it as API key, which is application programming interface. Okay, so this topic is not there, but even I'm teaching you because they might ask you how we can get a real-time dashboarding. Can real-time dashboarding be performed? Okay, so in that perspective, I'm asking you that using different sensors, it is possible that we can have the different parameters which are associated in the chemical boilers, or say chemical boiler 1, chemical boiler 2, and so on. We can make connections directly from this point. Okay, okay, so we can make connections directly from this point. Okay, getting my point here, Suhal? I mean, sorry,
Yeah.
Vijay, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
real-time dashboarding is there, and we can do it. Okay, so we can do that. So, three different methods that I showed you here is using the API key, using the Azure Stream Services, and using the PubNub. I'll show you
Okay.
the point that we have. So we can give the name and we can give like text, number, value, and the date and time. Okay, and I can also have PubNub services, the common one what I use for the training. I can just give it as next. Okay, so I'll just type the dataset name, what it's going to generate, and I'm going to type it as real-time dataset service. This is one dataset name, child give it. So you don't have to like use it without space. You can give with space as well, and you can use it. Okay, the dataset service just like this. Now we'll be having a subscription key and the channel name. Okay, so the subscription and the channel name I have already shared it in the Zoom chat box. Okay, so you can copy it and paste it.
Yeah. I got that.
See, this is how I paste it. Subscription key is there, and the next one, the channel name is Pubnub Sensor Network. Okay, Pubnub Sensor Network, and click on next. Okay, click on next. Now I can see that detect any gap. Please ensure that you have so provide data set on the screen. Yeah, 1 minute. Maybe at a time. Not working. Sometimes it works. Okay, data set. Okay, so I'll be having the channel name. Okay, so I have the channel name. The moment, okay. Yes, so now it's getting yeah, see.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have got the subscription key and also the channel network that we have. Okay, so basically we form the PubNub test and we see that these are the parameters which is related to the sensor in my system. Okay, so sometimes there might be other things as well, and we can have all the sensors: humidity, a photo sensor, ambient temperature, radiation level, everything would be there. Okay, so I can click on create as an option. Okay, so I'll click on create as an option. Once I have created it, now the data is continuously logging in. What I'll do, I click on add a tile, real-time custom streaming data services, and the data sets are formed here. Okay, and the data sets are formed here, and I can click on next. Now the visualization type here is one thing where we can get it as a card, and we have first one, the radiation level. Okay, I'll give you the temperature as of now, and I can click on next, and I can display both title and the subtitle where we have got temperature. Okay, I can write it as temperature. Got it, and I'll be having apply as a option. Okay, so once I've
Okay.
applied it, it comes it here.
So all this PubNub and APIs, we can do that from Power BI desktop also, right?
No, it's possible only in Power BI reporting. I mean,
Service account.
service. Yeah.
Okay.
Here, what I'm doing. So I click on add a type, streaming data services, and data sets. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll take a new report and show you directly. So it's going down. Yeah. So we have got the temperature here. See here. Okay. So it's showing here. As I pinned the entire live page, it is taking to the bottom one. So this is the ambient temperature that I have got here. Okay. 21. Clear? Okay. Now we can also have a comparison with respect to time where I have already created a data set and I can click on move. Now next one, I can go for a line chart and I'll be having say last 5 seconds to display. So you'll see the continuous change in the time and I can click on adding a value. Next photo sensor, which is the axis, it is the timestamp and I can click on next as an option. So this is the photo sensor and I can click on apply. Okay, so usually it will be down and just go down. See, this is the change. Getting my point here, right? This
Okay,
is the,
real time updates.
yeah, so this is the real time update. For every 5 seconds, you will get a photo sensor update. Okay,
Okay.
clear? So in this way,
Yeah.
we can, yeah, please go ahead.
No. I was thinking I was clear.
Got it? So you can also try
Yeah.
it from your end and do the real time data streaming in Power BI. Got it?
Okay.
Fine. So this is one of the real time data streaming service that we have got it. Any doubts here
Okay.
up to this point?
What is this PubNub though? Like what?
Okay,
It's like.
yes, I'll tell you what is the PubNub test. See, in real-time data streaming services, we have got some data sets which is related to the live streaming, or we call it as real-time streaming, which is available. Okay, PubNub Access Manager is the one which is freely available for the real-time data streaming, which can create a data set which is related to the live feed, like uh, humidity, photo sensor,
Okay.
and also we have got the temperature as well. Now,
Oh, this is like the sample data test type
yes,
where we have
so
financial. Okay.
yes, so just like financials in Power BI service, we can have a semantic model or a streaming data set where we will be having it created, and it is quite the easiest one which we use it for the training purpose as well. Okay, So this is one of the
Okay.
like cloud related topic what I'm teaching to you. So we can
Mhm.
monitor the real time data in Power BI dashboard as well. Okay, so that's why we are going
Okay.
to use these three streaming data
Mhm.
sets. The first two requires API key. Okay, so you need connection to the cloud and all. The third one, which is called as a PubNub test, doesn't have any uh, connections which we can set up directly, and we can
Mhm.
have a real-time data stream. Okay,
Okay.
here is the
Okay.
point. So that's
Got it.
why
Yeah.
we are going to use the real-time data streaming with this Power
Mhm.
BI service only. Okay, so real-time data streaming is possible only in case of Power BI service.
Services.
Getting my point? Okay,
Yeah.
so you have seen just now, and let me just share the common link as well, and please you keep it as a bookmark. Okay, so I'll be sending it. Do keep it as a bookmark and use it. So don't try to miss it on.
Mhm.
Okay, so this
Mhm.
was the real-time streaming in Power BI service. Clear?
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
got it? Fine. So now
Yes.
let us go to SQL again and start my connection. I made a connection directly with the SQL Server 1. Okay, now I'll go for writing a new query. So I'm using a bit of SQL as well because once you start applying for the interviews, they will ask you some
Mhm.
SQL queries. So your SQL query classes are not begun yet. So I think
Mhm.
maybe after Power BI it might start. Got it?
Mhm.
So if it
Okay.
has already started, that's fine. Okay. So how do I
No,
get it
not yet,
about
but
it?
yeah.
So you'll get a quick heads up about what's gonna be taught as well. Okay. Yeah. So
Okay.
I have selected a database which is use AdventureWorks DW, and this is the database what I have selected. Okay. So what is the SQL query to select all the rows and columns
Star.
for a particular table, like table
Select
and
star.
row. Yes.
A
So
star.
select a star from. Okay. Select star from the given. Say, I can go for geography. Okay. So I will execute. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. See, we have got
Yeah.
geography key. We have got city, state, province name, country as well. We have got all the related like examples. Okay, clear? Fine. So next, let us go for fact internet sales as well. We execute it, and we have got say sales order number, order date, due date, and we have got unit price and also the order quantity. Everything is there here. Okay, everything is there. Correct. Now, what I will be doing here is will be going for another keyword. Okay, so where we have already taught, which is where. Okay, where, right? Clear? Where
Yeah.
order date,
Particular column should be. Yeah.
yes, order date equals, right? Order date equals 2018 hyphen 01 hyphen 01. Okay, so I'll just execute it and you will get only the orders of that date. Okay, only the orders of that date. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
So these are
Okay.
the like three keywords which I wanted you to like remember. Okay, so where
Mm.
order date equals the value which is there here, it is applicable only in the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Got it?
Okay.
Clear? Any doubt
Yeah.
here up to this point?
No, no. This is unclear.
Clear, right? Okay. So let us take another example, like from dim product. What I can do here, yes. So we have got dim product. See, we can just execute it and we can keep it. Okay, clear?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Fine.
But what is it selecting? Only the product list, everything from the product list it's selecting?
Yeah, we are given star, right?
Star, okay.
Yeah, select star from dim product. This is the dim product table that we have got. So I'm
Oh,
showing
yeah,
you
yeah.
all the tables.
Mm-hmm.
We can execute it and see it. Okay. So we can go
Yeah.
for product category as well. Okay. Dim product category.
Mm-hmm.
See, it's there here. Next, we can go for dim employee sales territory. We can execute it. Okay. Now
Mm-hmm.
we can also go for another database as well. Okay, so let's go for Tailspin Toys database. Expand the tables which I have got here, and we have got say a product region, sales, and sales of a state. Okay, so you'll use Tailspin Toys viewers, and we can go for region as well and execute it. See, these are the regions. Next, we have got
Mm-hmm.
sales. Execute it. Okay. Now we can also create a table. What I'm showing you, I mean, not a table. Yeah, we can also do that. But as of now, we can also see that we can see a new column. Now, I just showed you that in calculated columns. If you remember, what was a calculated
Mm-hmm.
column? So based on the existing column, we are going to create a new column. Okay, or
Yeah.
we can have an existing column and we can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and those things. Now
Division. Mm-hmm.
we are going to follow the same thing in the SQL uh, queries, what we are going to write. Okay, so we are going to see,
Okay.
say, we are going to see these two columns, quantity, unit price, and we get a new column which is nothing but, I'll just show you here. We are going to have say quantity. Okay, quantity is there. Next we have got the total sales. Next we have got say not the total sales, like this one is the unit price,
Mm-hmm.
and this one is called the say total sales. Okay, so we get the quantity, we get unit price, and how do we get the total sales of the particular order
Sum of
number? Is it sum?
sum of both, like sum and then add of multiply of both. Sum of quantity, full one
Yeah, yeah,
column. Sum of
yeah,
okay,
yeah, I
yeah.
totally agree. Yes, so as of
Mm-hmm.
now, this is a like more or less like a calculated column approach. So
Mm-hmm.
like rather than going for total sales as sum, so it would be like quantity into unit price as of now. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
in each row you are comparing that one with DAX measure. I think that's
Mm-hmm.
correct. Okay, that's correct. But here each
Mm-hmm.
row is evaluated, right? I want a new
Mm-hmm.
column name which is total sales. That's all.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I'll just make it
Mm-hmm.
simple for you. You are getting confused, I believe.
No, no, got it. No, 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 I got it.
Yeah,
Just multiplying it, multiplying each row and
sales.
putting it in a new
Yeah,
column.
quantity into unit price.
Price. Yeah.
Okay, so you're getting sales 1 into 300. So the total sales will be 300. 2 into
300. Yeah.
300, 600. Just like that.
Mm-hmm.
So let us write a SQL query for that. Okay. Now what I want three columns. I mean the three columns which are there here. So the one which is
Mm-hmm.
there when the SQL table is quantity and unit price. Okay. So let us figure
Mm-hmm.
out step by step quantity and unit price. Okay. So we get two columns which is having quantity and unit price. Is it clear right now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, is it clear? So select quantity
Yeah.
and unit
And
price
unit
from
price.
sales. Okay, comma, comma, quantity multiplied with unit price. Okay, so this is one more column that we are going to use. Let me execute it here. See, are we getting one more column?
Okay.
We can also
Yeah.
use it in brackets if you want to, like distinguish between
Mm-hmm.
the existing columns, and this column is the newly created column which has got no column name.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so, okay. So, here. Yeah. So let us not use this. Okay. So this is quantity into unit price. Okay.
Okay.
Is that clear? Let me try
Yeah.
another set of bracket here. Let it work. Okay. Give me a minute. Okay, no problem. Okay, fine. Okay, quantity into unit price, we can get it. Clear right now?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we can also rename that column name as AS is a keyword again, which says that you have selected quantity, unit price, and the new column that you're going to use, which is a resultant of quantity into unit price, you can name it as sales. Okay, you can name it as sales and see. Now you have got no column name, execute it, and you will get sales.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
clear right now?
Got it.
Okay,
Yeah.
now we can also see that we can have an aggregation function called as sum, and you can get the
Of
sum
sales.
of total sales as
Mm-hmm.
well. Okay, you can get the total sales as well. Clear with the point?
Yeah.
Yes, sum of sales. It's not executing. Okay, I'll just show you the unit price. Select sum of, okay, unit price. Okay, I'll just write unit price. You can get the sum of the unit price as well. Okay, so we'll just execute it. See, this is the sum of the unit price.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
clear with the point?
Yeah.
Any doubts here up to this point in the
No.
SQL query?
No. No. Straightforward enough. This one.
It's practice. Again, you have to practice more, and you have to keep in
Mm-hmm.
mind that you can practice a bit lot on this. Okay, so we can go
Mm-hmm.
for select star region. Okay, so from region, execute it, and we can get it. Okay, so these are few SQL queries, which is the, now what is as? Okay, so I just told you that select say from and just use sales, select star from sales. Okay, so I'll execute it, and I'll be having order number, order date, ship date, and everything. Okay, so I'll be having quantity and unit price from sales. Okay, so again showing you, and okay, next line we have got say uh, quantity multiplied with
Into unit
unit
price.
price. Okay, quantity multiplied with unit price from sales. Okay, so it's there here, unit price. Yes, sales. Okay, sales, sales, sales. Okay, so I think I have not used the comma here. Okay, yes,
Okay.
we have got the sales. Clear?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay, so that's it. Okay, so I think we have to use this one. Okay, let me figure it out. So, like, so as of now, let's not have that aggregation functions. As of now, we'll just see this sum of things. Okay,
Okay.
correct. So any doubts
Yeah.
in the concepts that we discussed so far? We discussed the real-time data streaming, and
Yeah.
also we showed you